Unlock 2K HDR magic. Arlo Pro 5S XL slays night shadows. Ever felt like your security cams are playing hide and seek, missing key moments in fuzzy feeds, or dropping signals mid-alert? You're scanning your app at midnight, heart pounding from a ping, only to chase ghosts, frustrating lockdown vibes. If this setup sabotage sounds spot on, drop your sketchiest surveillance slip-up below. Let's illuminate peace with the Arlo Pro 5S XL Spotlight Security Camera 2K HDR. Now escalate the siege. Deadlines clash with false alarms zapping your phone. Stress surges from spotty Wi-Fi blackouts. Burnout brews as batteries die on watch. Total vigilance vacuum. Imagine reclaiming the fort with dual-band Wi-Fi, auto-switching, and XL battery endurance. Zero added tangle. What if one 3-pack could guard your world flawlessly? Comment if you're set to storm the Arlo Pro 5S XL's unbreakable barrier. Ignite the safeguard. Arlo Pro 5S XL Spotlight Security Camera 2K HDR, your wireless indoor and outdoor sentinel, with 160-degree sweep and 12 times zoom via 2K HDR lens, vanishing blur for license plate crispness even in pitch black thanks to color night vision spotlight. Sense the surge as a night shift parent chats via two-way audio, deterring porch prowlers with a crystal clear feed, or that suburban sentry spotting packages pre-dawn, human and vehicle detection filtering feline fakes. Tactile thrill, magnetic mount snapping secure, apps instant siren blare echoing authority, weather-sealed shell whispering resilience against rain. Bundled 3-pack covers corners effortlessly, with microSD up to 512 GB for local lore and Arlo Secure unlocks for AI smarts. Here's how it heroed a homeowner. Nabbed a bike thief in full HDR glory. Linger for the bonus ploy. Tweak motion zones to slash alerts 50%. This isn't spying. It's your intuitive shield, hypnotically vigilant, cheekily outpacing wired wannabes with privacy-first encryption. Relish the reinforcement. Efficiency blooms as dual-band Wi-Fi clings to the strongest signal for lag-free streams. Focus firms with intelligent alerts ignoring wind-whipped branches. Performance pulses via this 2K HDR Spotlight camera's XL battery, outlasting rivals fourfold. A 2025 analyst proclaimed, band steering fixes dropouts cold. Reliable feeds redefine monitoring. A smart home guru enthused. Months on one charge? Game changer. Color night vision turns dark yards vivid. Users unite. One newbie raved. Magnetic mounts? Ladder-free bliss. App live view in seconds for my perimeter patrol. Another parent shared. Package detection? Alerts hit gold. No more driveway dashes, just serene saves. Thousands tout its 160-degree sweep, noise-canceling talk, Alexa and Google hooks for light sync spooks. Felt that Spotlight's warm glow unveiling secrets? Playfully bold. Why endure grainy guards when HDR demands the crown? See 2025 buzz exploding in forums. Which wizardry wins your watch? The auto-band Wi-Fi or pet-proof smarts? Comment below for a stealth siren script. Enveloping electric assurance in sleek white trio. Blackouts brew. Limited stock fleeing as thousands bunker down with Arlo Pro 5S XL Spotlight Security Camera 2K HDR. Experts exalt its HDR edge. Users recount thief-thwarting triumphs in 2025 trials. If glitchy guards grate your nerves, this fortifies your front instantly. Seize the 3-pack now for magnetic mount mastery and unveil the exclusive zone hacks for zero fakes. Comment yes for a battery boost secret. Don't just watch, deploy it and defend your domain today.